This is problem number 2 from section 5.4. It says solve the equation, use the change of base formula as appropriate. So we have the change of base formula here, which says if I have a logarithm base A of B, that I can change that base A to any base C as long as I take log base of that base of B divided by log of that same base of A. So if essentially this ratio between whatever base I change it to of B over A is the same as log base A of B. All right, let's just go through and start solving this. So the first thing I want to do is I see I have a multiplication. I'm going to divide by 4 on each side. So I get 10 to the 3x equals 15 over 4, and I'll just leave it as 15 over 4, no decimal. Now I have a base 10. Well, I know a logarithm is base 10. So I'm going to use a log to get rid of essentially this base and to move the exponent down. So I'm going to say log of base, or I'm going to say log base 10 of 10 to the 3x equals log, I'm going to do the log on this side, 15 over 4. Now log base 10, first of all, I know that when I take the logarithm of an exponential, I can bring the exponent to the front, so I can write that as 3x log 10 equals log 15 over 4. But I know log 10 is 1, so that cancels out, and I'm left with 3x equals log of 15 over 4 divided by, now, 3 on each side. So I get x equals log of 15 over 4 all divided by 3. So let's plug that in the calculator. See what we get. So log of 15 over 4, we'll use a fraction button. So 15 over 4 divided by, and I should have used a fraction button for the whole thing, but I'll just say divided by 3. And that's 0.19. And it looks like we want to maybe round it to the thousandths or the hundredths. I'm not sure, but let's just go with 0.191. So that's 0.191 for x.